angels, welcome back to my channel. This is Great Gabrielle, and today we're gonna be doing a tutorial on how to make these curls happen in 15 minutes using only straighteners. Let's go. So yeah, first step, dry your hair. Okay, now we're gonna middle part it and then start brushing. Start with the ends, holding down your hair. You're just untangling it. When you feel the brush stuck, you just gently untangle. And now this side. And if your hair is wet, I would just not advise brushing it because I'm just gonna pull out your hair. Okay, so we've got middle part in here. And we're just gonna make a middle part in to the back. So we're gonna take one side, twist it, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. Third step, I don't even know what step I'm on. Preheat your straighteners. I'm gonna work with like a tiny bit of hair. And the technique that I use basically is that we want the curl on this side to swoosh backwards, and we want this curl on this side to swoosh that way, like this way. So let's start with the right hand side. Grab your straighteners, and when you twist, you're gonna twist it to the right side. So let's just do a few examples. We've got a bit of a hair. So I'm gonna grab it like that, and I just want to swish it basically to the right. By the way, I have the curling irons on a medium. So you're just twisting it, and you're basically kind of straightening your hair, but with a twist. And like, apart from the heat protection, I will literally not put any products in my hair. So flipping it over the little strand, straightening it, and when you get to the end, just curl it, let it go. Like, don't keep it too long. Like, this is a quick thing. Like, it has to happen quick, otherwise you're just gonna damage your hair. This side is basically done. So we're just gonna put our hands like this through our hair, and we're gonna separate the curls to make it more volume. And then what you can do, because sometimes the ends kind of look like just take the whole of the ends and just twist it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna also twist it to the right, and I'm just gonna like clip it. Oh. So now we come to this side. So now when we come to the left side, on this side, we're gonna twist it that way. We're gonna grab it like that, and we're gonna go like, oh shit, ow.
We're gonna go like, oh shit, ow.
Okay, so we're gonna go like this, and we'll twist it to the left. And then the same technique. Your fingers are here now, and then you're gonna put them to the left and to the back. Can you hear him? The door's open, Lily. Like, he was calling me downstairs because he doesn't want to go outside by himself. Once you get to the front, we're just gonna isolate some strands. And we're really gonna make them, like, we're gonna hold them a bit, you know? So like, they're kind of really curly. And as you can see, it swishes this way. So now we're gonna take this side. So what you can do now, you can just work on those front strands. Now if you feel like one side is a bit more flat, like I feel this side is a bit more flat, so I'm just gonna isolate some curls, and I'm just gonna make them just pop. What you can also do is just back comb it. It will just look like there's more volume. And also throughout the day, you know, if you see that one bit is getting a bit flat, just twirl with your fingers, because now we put heat into the hair, it kind of remembers that pattern. And this is how you get the curly look in like 15 minutes. If you don't do it every day, if you only do it like once, maybe a week, maybe once every 2 weeks, maybe once a month, this hairstyle itself should not damage your hair if you're quick enough. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. I will see you next Sunday. None the other, but a straightener. We're going to be using a straightener only.